Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, Healthy and Easy Recipes. So today I'm going to make a nice vegetable soup. So over here I have my ingredients. So I just bought a tray of soup mix, fresh vegetables, and I have turnip, onion, leek and carrots. And then also for flavouring I'm going to use one vegetable stock cube and some ground black pepper. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start peeling and chopping my vegetables. So I love making soup, it's so simple and so healthy. So now I've just finished chopping up all the vegetables. So everything is nice and chopped into small pieces. When you cut them smaller, it makes the soup cook that little bit quicker. So now we're ready to start cooking. So now I've just put my cooker on medium heat, and so I'm just going to add in some cooking oil. So I've just used coconut oil, just give it a little spray at the end, and the first thing I'm going to add in is the onions. So I'm just going to leave them for 3 minutes for it to simmer, just so they can soften. So now it's been 3 minutes. So my next step is to add in the leek. And just give it a mix around with the onion. And I'm going to leave this also for 3 minutes, just to bring out the flavour. So then after the 3 minutes of the onion and leek cooking, what I'm going to do now is add in boiling water. So you're going to add in approximately 1 litre of boiling water, and then also I'm going to add in the vegetable stock cube. Give that a stir around so that all the stock cube is dissolved into the water. So once that has dissolved, we can then start adding in the carrots and also the turnip. And then give that a mix, so that all the vegetables are well mixed together. So what I'm going to do now is just put in more boiling water just to cover over the top of the vegetables. Just like that. So the water just comes up to the top, and then just going to cover it over, and we're going to leave that to boil for 20 minutes. Then I'm going to come back and check to see how it's doing. So approximately it'll take about 40 minutes in total for it to cook. So just giving a quick check now after 20 minutes of cooking. So you can see there now that it started to boil. So what I'm going to do is just add in some pepper. Then give it a stir around. And then we're just going to cover it back over and leave it for another 20 minutes for it to keep boiling. So now I'm just back and I'm checking again after 20 minutes of boiling. So I'm just going to check now to see if the vegetables have softened. So you see there, my fork is able to go right through. So just check a few of the vegetables. So everything is now nice and soft. So what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to use the hand blender and give it a blend. So there's our soup all blended up. So it's become now nice and thick, and it's also nice and smooth. So now it's all ready, all we have to do is serve. And there we have a lovely healthy bowl of vegetable soup. So if you like this recipe, please do like and subscribe below, and thank you so much for watching. Have a great day everyone.